Hello and again welcome. In this video we're going to be looking at the account feature of this application. The account feature is one of the important aspect of this application, this platform. So we're going to take considerable time to go through the account section and see how your church can make use of it. Recall that under account settings, specifically church funds, we had 5 type of fund that will be created by default as soon as you sign up on our platform. Now if you come to account section, you see them reflecting tithe, offerings, first fruits, benevolence, special purpose offering, the 5 of them. And if you add a new type of fund, alright, successfully added, you will also see it automatically reflecting on the accounts. In the same vein, if you remove, it leaves the account section. So the moment you add new type of funds which your church accepts from members, and then if you decide to remove funds, it also reflects on the account section. So we'll proceed. Tithes. So let us add an entry for tithe. So date 5th, amounts for tithe, let's say 50,000 naira. Description, member tithes. So submit. So our entry has been recorded successfully. We come to view record of entries. Then we have this. We had 2 records previously entered on the 5th of March. So for Sunday 5th April, we had 50,000 member tithes, Morning Star Church. Alright, recording officer is Morning Star Church. This name Morning Star Church is coming as a fact that this is the default account the profile was used or was opened for the church. The more you add users and users do these transactions, their name is what is displayed here. So you can edit or you can delete if there's a need to delete. You can filter records. So we can filter for March, and then we'll see only records for March 2020. So you can also select a year and then filter. And then for filter for April 2020, we only see records for April 2020. You can print. Create a printable page for you. You can export to Excel, and then you download, and then you go. So same thing applies for offering, first fruits, benevolence, special purpose offering. So let us look at expenditure. So add a new entry for expenditure. Date expenditure was made Sunday 12th April. Amount expended, let's say $100. What was it used for? Okay, let's say electricity bill. Alright, so our expenditure was recorded successfully. View records of entries. So we'll get to see. So we'll add 2 previous records for 5th April, fully generator sets. And then we'll have for Sunday 12th April 100 electricity bill. So you can edit or you can delete if there is a reason to delete. You can also filter records. So filter records, you can print records, you can export to Excel. So let us look at summary reports. So summary reports gives the summary of all financial activity for the church for that year, for the 12-month period that runs from January to December. And so for income generated, we have the list of the types of funds, tithes, offerings, first fruit, benevolence, special purpose. Therefore expenditure, we have it displayed. So from January to December, it sums up for tithe, it gives you a total. Sums up for offering, gives you a total. Sums up in that order, it sums up. For expenditure too, it sums up and gives you a total. So you can also print this. You can filter records to get financial reports of previous years. So member financial records. Now, in some countries, members of churches are expected to provide their financial records for purposes of tax and other financial matters. So we also added that feature to our platform. So if you are from a country that members are required to provide their financial records as regards to church activities, you can also have that possibility. So you can add new record, new financial record for member. So we'll save date. Amount received $200. Let's say it's for benevolence. So I have member benevolence. So submit. Okay, stored successfully. So you can view history. You can view record of member, financial records. So I have this. The member has only made a financial transaction for $200 in the month of April 2020. You can actually select years, previous years to view reports on previous years. So you this just gives you total. Here you get totals. If you want to see the individual item that makes up that total, you click on view history and then you view. So you can also print this report. I think for the first member we'll have 2 records. So let's look at for that member. And so for view history, we see that the member made a donation of 20,000 naira for tithe and $200 for donation. So you can actually print. So if we come to our dashboard, an administrator, you will see a graph, of financials telling you how much income and how much expenditure was made for that year. So for the month of March, we have $150,000 as income and no expenditure. For the month of April, we have $125,000 as income and $700 expenditure. So thanks for watching this video. In the next video, we're going to be looking at attendance.